This presentation is an introduction to the Lotek group of companies, which includes Lotek Wireless Incorporated, with plants in Ontario and Newfoundland, Canada, BioTrack Limited in the United Kingdom, Surtrack Limited in New Zealand, and Biosonics Telemetry Limited in the United States of America. Together, we're partners in the field of biotelemetry, with over 85 years of collective experience in the design and manufacture of electronic devices for monitoring fish, wildlife, birds, amphibians, and insects. Collectively, the companies of the Lotek Group are able to offer our customers a level of service that is truly global. Our products are in use on every continent and in every ocean in the world, and they're the monitoring solutions of choice for scientists the world over. We have manufacturing facilities and offices on 3 continents, and one of the largest combined research and development teams in the wildlife telemetry world. Our individual strengths and combined synergies make us especially well positioned to assist customers anywhere in the world with almost any research project imaginable, regardless of species or habitat. Both individually and collectively, the companies of the Lotek Group are dedicated to delivering innovative solutions for a sustainable future. Each of our companies was founded by people driven to discover new technological solutions to animal monitoring challenges. That drive, to find the most effective and least intrusive ways to learn about and protect the species of our planet, continues to inspire our individual companies and our collective workforce to this day. Because the types of data that can be collected on each species are so varied, and because every type of animal inhabits a different type of environment, we've developed a large variety of monitoring devices and systems so that scientists can use the most appropriate type of technology for each research scenario. For example, for freshwater fish, we offer radio, acoustic, and combined radio and acoustic transmitters and receivers. Archival data storage tags are also used in some freshwater projects. For marine mammals and fish, we offer GPS, Argos, light-based geolocation, temperature depth archival tags, and acoustic transmitters and receivers. For terrestrial animals, we have a wide range of VHF radio and satellite collars, including GPS, Argos, Globalstar, and Iridium solutions. For the smallest birds and bats, we have VHF and geolocators, while larger species can be tracked with more advanced GPS and Argos tags. And for amphibians, reptiles, and invertebrates, we have a full range of miniature coded and beeper radio tags. All of the companies in the Lotek Group share certain key characteristics and values. The first one is that we're passionate about the environment. Each of our companies is a partnership of engineers, biologists, and manufacturers who are devoted to furthering environmental sustainability. A healthy environment is key for any efforts to achieve sustainability. Our development efforts are based on the premise that one of the best ways to assess the health of the environment is by giving voice to its non-human inhabitants. By equipping animals, fish, birds, insects, and amphibians with biotelemetry devices, we gain new insights not only into their lives, but also into their previously inaccessible surroundings. These insights inform the decisions of today's scientific researchers, resource managers, and other stewards of the environment. The second defining feature of our companies is that we succeed through partnerships. Since 1984, our innovations have been changing the way that biologists track fish and wildlife. What makes our innovations possible? Above all, we attribute our success to our many partnerships. In all aspects of our company's operations and throughout our histories, we've sought out and cultivated partnerships. First and foremost, there are the ongoing collaborations that we enjoy with our clients, the wildlife researchers and natural resource managers of the world, who tell us what they need and test what we develop for them. Secondly, there's the synergy that comes from combining biological and engineering expertise within our own global team. Third, we also partner to great mutual benefit with various institutions and industry allies, including governments, universities, part suppliers, and other key stakeholders. And fourth, one of the great advantages of having a global group of companies like ours is that in addition to having our own plants on different continents, we also have partners all around the world. Distributors of Lotek Group solutions can be found in Brazil, China, Japan, South Korea, and South Africa. The third defining feature of our group is that we design high-quality, innovative products. We take the utmost care to make top-quality monitoring equipment because we understand that our customers are relying on our systems to make informed and often far-reaching decisions about the environment. Our unique challenge is to make electronics that are simultaneously sensitive and tough, capable of gathering precise data, and yet able to perform impeccably while being jostled, bumped, scraped, immersed in water, and exposed to extremes of temperature and/or pressure. We begin meeting this challenge at the design stage, using simulations and modeling to detect stress and fatigue factors over the life of a product. We test throughout the manufacturing process, monitor for quality at each stage of assembly, calibrate using equipment that far exceeds the accuracy of the devices being manufactured, and perform burn-ins and temperature cycling to expose faulty electronic parts, stabilize frequency-sensitive components, and ensure the resilience of our products in the field. Organized by technology type, the Lotek Group's products fall into four main categories. 1. Radio. Radio transmitters and receivers are used for tracking in freshwater, on land, and in the air, and can effectively monitor fish, mammals, and birds of almost any size, from tiny salmon smolts to full-grown elephants. 2. Acoustic. Acoustic transmitters, receivers, and hydrophones are ideal for deep water, estuary, and ocean tracking and precise positioning. Our acoustic systems are used on a wide variety of marine inhabitants, such as salmon, trout, plaice, cod, crabs, sea turtles, and many others. 3. Archival. Archival tags are designed for global tracking and temperature depth studies. They're utilized on many species, including tuna, salmon, cod, plaice, sharks, sablefish, lake trout, turtles, penguins, albatross, and platypuses. Geolocators are also used for migratory birds that are too small for heavier technologies. 4. Satellite. Satellite technology, including GPS, Fastlock GPS, Argos, and Globalstar, is used around the world for continuous positioning of many species, including sea turtles, migratory birds, coyotes, wolves, caribou, sheep, cattle, lions, bears, moose, deer, and cougars. Using these four technologies, either alone or in combination, our companies have developed a range of biotelemetry products and services that's wide and versatile enough to meet almost any animal monitoring challenge, anywhere in the world. The fourth defining feature of our group is that we provide solutions. Around the world, the interaction between humans and nature is fraught with problems, some of which are urgent. Our entire business is based upon providing solutions for our clients, solutions for science, solutions for fish and wildlife, and solutions for the environment. The pursuit of scientific knowledge involves an interesting cyclical process. Questions lead to answers, but answers always yield new and deeper questions. Part of our ongoing role is to remain responsive to the evolving research needs of our customers. We're proud to be a team that the problem solvers of the world come to for help. We don't just supply them with a piece of equipment and go away. Wherever possible, we become familiar with their research challenges as a whole and get involved as a partner to help them find the right solutions. Customer service is an important part of our company's activities. We provide application support both in person in the field and remotely through videos, video conferencing, and where applicable, using remote diagnostic equipment. In addition to offering a range of technologies for different types of tracking needs, we also offer a range of solutions for different levels of research complexity. Our most sophisticated systems are designed for advanced and sometimes complex projects. But we also manufacture a number of simpler monitoring systems built for smaller studies that are perhaps just starting out or have more modest research goals. Our basic telemetry devices are perfect for individuals, teams, or countries that are just starting out in the field of marine mammal, fish, bird, or wildlife monitoring. They're entry-level instruments designed to perform just as reliably as our most sophisticated systems, while meeting the budgets and data gathering goals of those research projects that are more limited in scope. The fifth defining characteristic of all of our companies is that we build on our successes. At each of our companies, we have designed and manufactured many new ways to track animals, often altering the very economics of biotelemetry in the process by simultaneously raising the bar on data quality and lowering the barriers to entry for bird, fish, and wildlife researchers around the world. Over the years, since as far back as 1984, we have shipped hundreds of thousands of telemetry devices to all parts of the world. We design systems with all four of the main technologies: radio, acoustic, satellite, and archival. And we sell our systems to the world's top researchers on a global basis. Numerous scientific papers have been published using data from our systems, and numerous species of marine mammals, fish, birds, and terrestrial animals have benefited from our efforts and our partnerships with scientists and wildlife managers. We're proud to be providing innovative solutions to our customers and partners who are accomplishing so much towards a sustainable future. Like us, they believe passionately in what they do, and they're as eager as we are to keep learning more about the behavior and the habitats of the many species on our planet. We look forward to working with them for many years to come. Thank you for your interest in the Lotek Group. If you'd like more details about any of the topics that we've presented, we invite you to visit the websites of each of our companies by following the links shown on the screen. If you'd like to discuss how we can help you meet your fish and wildlife monitoring needs, please contact us, either by mail, phone, fax, or email. We look forward to hearing from you.